workshop where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z workshop, brought to you by Two Brothers, One Vision.
Hey, friends and fam. Well, I got a good buddy coming to town, and I need to make him something. He's my homie, Mr. Goozey. The man, the myth, the legend. So I'm gonna see if I can make a little knot-nosed Gnomie. Let's see how this goes. Now I'm making this Gnomie for my friend Dean. Dean just lost somebody really close to him, very special to him, his partner. Now on this Gnomie, I've been trying to carve out this crack ever since the beginning. And it's fought me all the way when I realized that this crack is a scar. It's always going to be there, and that's going to represent what's happened. I'm going to take the wood burner and I'm going to carve it in as a permanent stitch, and the stitches around the hard patch. Much love, Dean. Jana, love you. This is for you. She would have loved to know him, but she does love it. She's still with us. Much love. Now, I just want to say that this little guy here, he isn't making light of the situation. This is my way of helping a good brother through a hard time and remembering somebody close to him. As always, folks, there is no YouTube without you, and I truly appreciate you watching this little video and the creating of Neil the Not-Nosed Gnomie. Thanks, everyone. And again, this has been for Jana. Much, much love.
He's Neil the Not-Nosed Gnomie. Made him for my homie, Mr. Goozey. How do you do? Can little Neil come along with you on your travels? Much obliged to come in for a beer. I got a cold one inside.